How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
You're working in the street. You just came in to have a drink.
Yeah. Can I get Salinat cognac?
Sure. What sausage you want? There's a fifth for 23.
Yeah, I'll take that. An ice cup and a Red Bull.
I just painted a damn quarter of my damn hallway.
30.29. You been good though?
Yeah, I've been good. I can't complain.
Good.
Wouldn't do no good to complain about it.
Nope. Didn't go through. Check. Make sure your card's not locked.
Oh, hold on one second, friend.
Andrew. How's it going?
Try it again.
I'm ready. Ready, Freddy. Fire in the hole. That worked.
Enjoy your night.
You
Good
too.
to see